Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a payments method on your GoDaddy websites in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to add the payments method to your website. Enabling payments methods, of course, is crucial for processing transactions smoothly and securely. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to set up a payments method on your GoDaddy website in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and log in into your accounts. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. To, of course, log in into our GoDaddy website, we'll need first of all to go to GoDaddy. So go to this URL section, type godaddy.com, hit the enter button. This should take you to the website right away. If you're have an account, you will find like username right here. If it's your first time, you will find the sign in that you've seen earlier if you notice it. And you can click on it to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, you will be able to click on sign up. You'll find it normally at the bottom of it to create a new account. You can use Google, Facebook, I guess, and Microsoft. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account, you'll be able to do it automatically if you have one of those three accounts. So now, once you logged in into your GoDaddy account, to add a payments method to a website, we'll need first of all to access that website. If you don't have a website yet, make sure to go and create your own. For me, I'll just go here to my username and click on my products. And as an example, I have here multiple websites. For you, if you don't have any, just click on set up free websites and create your websites right away. So for me, as an example, I'll just go to, this shop. Why not? Because it's a shop. So I can show you how to add payments methods on it. So normally, like, I'll just show you like one thing. So when you create an account or when you create a website, of course, you can start from scratch. But for me, I use this option of website builder. So I'll just show you, click on start for free. So I'll just go and create a site. Why not? So click on create a new site. Sells good because of course, since I want to add the payments method, normally I have like to sell something like it should be a shop. Continue. Selling on my website, of course. And I'm just getting started. Of course, for you, make sure to answer everything like accurately. Why? Because this will give you or lets this GoDaddy website builder customize the website until to match the needs of your needs. So here's an example, bakery, why not? Let's just do bakery, omics bake. I'll just type omics bake, why not? Continue. And phone number, of course, and email address, make sure to add them. Of course, you'll be able to add them however you want, as an example. So for me, I'll just add this one and email. Should I change it even? I don't know, I'll just keep it that way. Click on continue. And as you can see, they are creating my website right away. So I have basically to do nothing. All I needed to do is simply answer some questions. And here you are. I have a whole website for me. I can simply now customize this however I want, add the pages that I want. As an example, you can see those pages. If you like them, add them. If you don't, maybe as an example, you didn't like this, just remove it. Like also those, as an example, like a PayPal button, as you can see, a payments provider, you can add it or not, as an example, however you want. So let's say, for example, I want to add it, then click on continue to my site. So normally, once you create a website with this website builder, if you want to take a tour, of course, if you don't know nothing about this, click on take a tour. It will take 30 seconds. For me, I'm not going to. So as I said, normally, if you create a site with this website builder, you'll find a lot of methods or payments methods is already added on your website. But if it's not, as example, if you go and preview your site and you didn't find, as example, some sites already added. So I'll just go ahead and refresh the page. Some payments method already added. I don't know where did the websites go. Oh, because I did not publish it, I guess. So let me just go here and publish it. And let's just wait for it until published. So I can go back to the dashboard. So yeah, here it's published. Of course, you can view sites, and before even like publish it, you'll have to view it first of all and preview it and see if it's good before publishing it. But for me here, I'll just go to my website like this one, and I'll go to the dashboard of it right away. And here, as you can see, this is going to be my websites. So Of course, first of all, if you add a payments method, you need something to sell first of all. So I'll just go here to commerce and I'll go to products as an example. Just add the random products as an example. I'll just go here and click on add the products. It will probably be like, I'll just do some random stuff here. I don't know, like add an image. I'll just go and add an image of it. I'll just do this. Why not? Insert, like I don't know what that is. Okay, description, add random things, save, and see if it's gonna save. So yeah, nice. The product is added. So of course, when people like try to buy something, or when we try to test like if the payments method is working, we'll come back here. So now basically just go to ways to sell and just go here to manage settings and click on payments, or basically go to settings here and basically of course you'll be able to go and to payments methods here. As you can see, once you click on there, you'll find GoDaddy payments. So first of all, they will take like a fee, which is 2.7% plus 30 cents per transaction. And of course, it will accept all major credit card and debit cards, plus Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Pay's wallet. No hidden fees, locking contracts, and you'll get like 24/7 support from GoDaddy, as you can see. So you can even link to your bank account. So once you get paid, the money will go to your bank account. Of course, if you want to remove that, basically just click on disconnect, and it will not accept credit slash debit card anymore. You can connect PayPal to accept PayPal. You can even accept some online payments, like payments once they receive the products and etc. So that's how you basically add some payments. But of course, if you go here to ways to sell, there's other like I guess there's some other ways here. Let me just go and check with you guys. So as you can see, accept payments in person in GoDaddy. So you'll be able to learn more about that. Accept payments anywhere, anytime by using the virtual terminal. So as you can see, advanced your store with these features and even lets out commerce experts manage your store if you want to hire an expert. And yeah, you'll be good to go. So if you go here, as example, again to my sites, click on the dashboard, click on the edit websites as example. So just see as example if the payments method that we saw there is existing. So I'll just go and click on that to see. I'll click here on shop now. So where is the product that they added? Maybe this one as example. So I'll just go here and click on buy now. And see once I click on buy now, as you can see, because there's the PayPal option there. So they take me right away into PayPal. What about the other one? Like let me just go and click here. So okay, my cart is empty. Like I don't know if like the products is added or I did not maybe publish the product that they added. So let me just go and check it out right away. So it's publishing right now. We'll have to change it. So I'll just go and scroll down here. Okay, what about my store? So manage store. Maybe the product was not added yet. I'll just go here to products because I added a product as I remember. Yeah, I added this products maybe. So, okay, normally I should find it like here somewhere. So if people like click on shop, they should be click on shop now. So yeah, they're not taking any page. So of course I'll have to fix that. Basically, if you click on shop now, so you'll be able to be taken to this product. So you'll be able to buy it. Okay, so click on quick review as an example. You can buy even with Google Pay as an example. Click on add to cart. Why not? Add it to cart. So I'll just go here now to my cart. And as you can see, I'll try to go through checkout and see what's the ways of payments in there. So as you can see, the debits and credits card normally exists. So I'll just fill up those informations, like some random informations, and click on continue. There's the Google Pay if you want to add it, and there's debits and credits card and pays and PayPal as you saw before. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.